It's the Klassiker FC Bayern München against Borussia Dortmund on the last day of the Oktoberfest. And the two best goal-getters right now are called Robert Lewandowski, 10 goals in 1 week, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, who has scored in all 7 fixtures so far. It was a brilliant start for the home side. 1-0, and the goal scored by Thomas Müller. After the long ball from Jerome Boateng, he converted. It got worse for the visitors after Thiago was fouled by Mkhitaryan, and Thomas Müller got his brace. 8 goals now this term, the 3rd from the spot, and the 3rd brace this season. 2-0 after this penalty. Well, just a couple of minutes later, it was a wonderful reply. The visitors with room for the first time in this game. And it was Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang who scored his 10th strike and has now scored in all 8 fixtures in the Bundesliga, a new Bundesliga record. Back on track, and 2-1 it was. Coming into the second half, watched by Jogi Löw from the stands, a great game of football. It took just 22 seconds before Bayern struck again. Robert Lewandowski, another wonderful pass from Jerome Boateng, controlled beautifully for his 11th strike of the campaign. Every goal scored by Lewandowski has arrived in the second half so far. It was all Bayern now, demoralising and demolishing their opponents, and Götze was the man who found Robert Lewandowski. The Borussia old boys combining beautifully to make it 4-1. It got better and better and better. Also for Mario Götze, who was on hand to collect the loose ball with his first Bundesliga strike this season, beating his former teammates. Bayern 5, Dortmund 1.